Hey guys, for today's video I'm doing another ring pour through a PVC corner piece. After the last one I decided to try a few different things just to see. I'm using these Lukas Cryl fluorescent paints, lit by glow-in-the-dark powder by Stewart Semple, and some glow-in-the-dark glitter by Glitter Hippo. For the base I put down the DecoArt Satin Enamels in pure white, and I'm also using Amsterdam Oxide black and titanium white. All of my colors are mixed with Floetrol and GAC 800. The lit powder was mixed with a bit of water before adding to the Floetrol and GAC, and then I added the glitter in with the powder. I decided to pour the rings of black and white and then the rings of color this time, and everything definitely moved a lot smoother with the base coat down. I think the results came out pretty awesome. It is especially amazing under the black light. The fluorescents glow brightly, and the glow-in-the-dark powder and the glitter bring that extra pop of the green. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you just want to say hi. See you guys next time. Bye.